Welcome, MX24, MX Live. I've been saying this for the past couple of weeks, but it seems like time is going so fast. So quickly, 8th of May, and I just want to say to everyone who's healthy, who's happy, who's blessed, you know, find appreciation in these things because we live in a world where it's not easy to get to these things. So in case you're not where you want to be, just know it's a journey, and with time, you're going to get there. Please send us messages with everything we talk about. If you have any inspirational quotes, you know, if you enjoy any of our shows, from our morning shows to Broken Pen to our sports shows to MX Live, you know, for all these shows, we have constant updates on our social media pages, MX24 TV. Hashtag for this show is MX Live. You know, when you do add the hashtag, as I always say, it makes it easier to find your stuff, staying interactive. And of course, from ideas, suggestions, questions, opinions, we're open to all of these because we can't do a show like this without you. So even if it comes to the artists you want us to talk about, the songs you want to see, please keep them coming through. And as we've always done, we're going to bring it to you the best way possible. Now today I have two guests coming through. Music we're going to kick off with, and of course Silverbird is coming through. You know, they have some new stuff they're bringing up. So it's going to be a pack of interesting conversations. Guys, quick commercial break as we always do. Sit back, relax, enjoy. We'll be right back. Now here at MX24 TV, we're all about support. You know, it's one thing to say that you support artists, you support your own, you believe in the Ghana music industry. It's another thing to implement it. That's why we try our best to find, you know, artists, creatives, those behind the cameras, I always say, as much as those in front of the cameras. Because, of course, can't do this by myself. So, you know, to everyone who's a part of a team, continue doing your best. And when it comes to this team, we're good at outsourcing and looking for incredible talents. Talents you may not know, but we believe, given the platform, given the space, are going to do some big stuff. So if there's any artist you believe in, please don't hesitate. Again, get into our DMs, MX24 TV, hashtag MX Live, and we are going to talk to your favorite artists before they're even someone else's favorite artist. Today, I have Mr. Richy. Everybody I know is called Richy as Rich. So today, my Momo is going to be popping. How you doing, man?
Not too bad, bro.
So as you came on, right?
Yeah.
We're speaking about, you know, you making music, doing it for a while, and that's very interesting to see, right? So we're going to talk about the journey and the growth and everything you've been through. But before all of that, what does music mean to you, man?
Right. I mean, first of all, greetings to your listeners.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, and thank you guys for this opportunity as well. Right. So music, I mean, like music for me is everything. Yeah, I would say I eat music, I drink music. I mean, yeah, it's been part of me. So, yeah.
The reason why I'm asking that is, you know, for a lot of stuff in the world right now, I don't want to say it's the right intentions or the bad intentions, but the intentions are very important, right? Somebody might just be, you know, I just want to be famous.
Yeah.
You know, for somebody might just be, I just want to put food on my table. For somebody might be, even if this doesn't put food on my table, I am still going to do it.
Yeah.
And we live in a space where, as much as so many artists are trying, I speak to so many artists, they're not getting what they may want out of it in terms of finance and stuff, but they're still doing it. And that's incredible to see when I talk to these artists. So from your perspective, which of these plethora of reasons is it, man?
I mean, like for me, I think I do it for the love of it. And yeah, I mean, like as I did mention, like it's been part of me since I mean, like my childhood, growing up. Like I used to play drums. I still play drums, anyways.
I want to learn drums, bro.
With me, I mean, like I didn't really learn it. I don't know. Like I just
cool.
Went to church one day. I just sat behind the drums.
Do you have like a musical background, family-wise, or as you're saying, it's strictly through
so?
the church?
I mean, apparently, like my late like granddad used to play trumpet.
Okay.
Yeah, but I mean, like in my generation right now, I'll say like my family I mean, like, they do love music, but in terms of who is doing music right now, I'll say it's myself. Yeah.
Oh, you out of the whole family.
Yeah.
Wow. How did they respond to that, though?
I mean, to be fair, they always laugh at me.
They do?
Yeah, they do because I mean, they think that it's a joke.
You see why I asked the question I asked, right? Then people like,
but right now, I think right now, with my current song, when they heard it, they were like, oh, I mean, like, we can now see that. I mean,
okay, so there wasn't any like resistance to, Charlie, don't do this. You know, the society we're in, right?
No.
Okay.
I mean, like, it was nothing like that. Yeah. Okay. And it's been nothing like that, anyways.
So, how many years making music now?
Let's say, I mean, as I said, like, it's been part of me, but professionally, it's been like 7 years.
7 years?
Yeah.
7 years?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, the reason why, like, I am exaggerating on that is you said your family were teasing you, I'm sure in a very friendly way.
No, of course.
Until this song.
Yeah.
How have you stayed strong for the past 7 years making music?
I mean, like,
because I'm sure it's been also a very steady process. So it hasn't been rapid, right?
No.
So how have you stayed like?
I mean, like, I keep doing me, like.
Okay.
I'm just being myself. I just try to be myself. I just don't listen to whatever that goes around me. Yeah. That's what I would say. Yeah.
You not listening to whatever goes around you, have you been, or has it gotten to the point where influence has almost taken you off your tracks when it comes to the music you make and the fact that you're chasing your dream? Has it ever gotten to that point?
Definitely, yeah.
Tell me about that.
I mean, like, countless of times.
Really?
Yeah. But as I said, with me, like, I'm very, very determined. Like, whatever that I set my eyes on, even if it takes me years, I make sure.
So if some girl day where they like him, they tell me say,
oh, me I go pursue you.
Yes.
Me? Oh, bro, me like I will pursue.
Me and my MX boys, if you turn me down, no, then we just turn on head.
Nah, bro, me like
you're gonna go.
Yeah. Unless maybe like do maybe and then I'm like, okay.
Yeah, she did do long.
Yeah, like make her shun, yeah. But if like I really and truly want you or love you, bro, I'll go.
But that's like a good mindset to have. I mean, if I'm looking at it professionally and business-wise, that's a very good mindset to have, right?
Yeah.
Okay, in terms of response to your music externally, not family-wise, how's that been? Has that been steady? Would you have wished for it to have been faster? Looking again for the fact that it's been 7, maybe even more years, because you said professionally it's been 7, right? Yeah. So even before then, you were still chasing this dream. How's the response from fans been? I mean, like,
it's been great. As you said, I mean, like, obi abinya na nka ye faster man.
Yeah.
But then, like, kakra. But I keep going, and I mean, with my friends around me, with friends and people that I mean actually like love stuff that I do, it's like with me, like, it's in my mindset. There's someone out there that I need to inspire.
Okay.
As like I'm inspiring, so
yeah.
Why should I stop?
Yeah.
Because you never know who's watching as well.
Yeah.
So
okay. When you see the conversations on TV, right? And I'm sure you see these things. You hear us talk about Charlie finances in the music industry. You know, we don't support our own. We're always comparing. There's always this interest in negative news. We're not breaking through as much as we want to as creatives. We're not entering certain markets. Now, this is me summarizing a lot that is going on. When you're also looking at this, you know, from a scope, from an external point of view, were you ever almost detracted to say, why am I going to get myself into this if the supposed leaders of this field are complaining this much? And it's something I've been talking to a lot of young artists recently. Like, do you think about these things? Does it scare you to enter such a field when you see and hear all these things?
Yeah, it does. It does. I mean, like, one way or the other, no. Once I'm a human, like, you would think about it. Except say, you don't really want to go for what you actually want to do. But obviously, I mean, like, as you did mention, no, even those at the top, I'm making it look like a bit like that.
Right?
So we that, I mean, I feel like, but no. I mean, like, better take crap. But as I mean, there's a song that says, I mean, negative or positive, like, they count.
So you're way more determined than hearing these things.
Bro,
that's good, man.
Yeah, me like
that's really good.
I don't let things break me down. I'm human, obviously.
Yes.
Like I've got emotions and all that.
Yeah.
It will get to you at a point, but then you just have to look sharp on this.
Yeah, bro, you're strong, man.
I try. I
You're
try, bro.
Strong, man.
I
But
try.
That's a very good mindset to have.
Yeah.
You know, in this space, as a growing artist, you know, chasing these dreams and all of this. So, to the music, how many songs do you have so far?
All right, so far, I mean, like songs that I have out, 4.
4 songs.
Yeah. 4
Okay.
songs, yeah.
How many this year?
1.
1. Why now, man?
Why now? Oh, that's a good question. Yeah. So basically, with this particular song, I think. So I wanted to release it somewhere in March.
Okay.
Yeah. So what inspired the song? I mean, if I mean, you want to talk about that, so what inspired the song was that last year around August, I lost my mom.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, bro. Condolences, man.
Appreciate it. I lost my mom, and with everything that was going on during that time, it's like I just felt it one day.
Oh,
yeah, like I was just there. I mean, like I'm still in that pain and all that, but then
bro.
I keep looking at the bigger picture. That I need to make my mom proud.
Yeah, I'm sure she is, man.
Yeah.
Because, like, even the way you respond to these questions are very matured, right?
Thank you.
And obviously, you never met your mom, but that's something I'm sure every mother would be proud of, you know, to see her son chasing, you know, their dream.
I mean, for me, I think and can be much more nicer for her to see this, what's happening right now and what's gonna happen. Because I mean, like, I do believe that we're going somewhere. Yeah, so as I said,
so I'm sure that's something you think about.
Oh yeah, of course.
Moving forward as a creator.
Yeah, of course, every day. Yeah, every day. So, I mean, she inspired it, and obviously, things that were going on during that time as well. Inspired me to do that song. And
How do you make sure the things you go through, right, don't affect your music negatively? Because these things can also empower you, right? Sure. You lose a loved one, you're broke, your music is not getting where you want it to be. It's either it breaks you or it makes you stronger, and that's always dependent on the person who's dealing with it.
Of course.
How do you make sure these things make you stronger? Because I'm sure this is not even easy for you to talk about.
Of course,
right?
It's not.
Yeah.
I mean, we were talking about mindset and everything. I feel like in life, whatever that you want to do, it's there. Like, it's here. So it's like, just channel your mindset to whatever that you want to do. Again, as humans, like, we've got emotions and all that.
Yeah.
It will get to you.
Yeah.
But then, with me, like, once I say, like, things that get to me, I just sit down, I just throw myself deeply into that thing, go through the pain.
Okay.
And then the next morning or like the next 2 days, I make sure that I'm going. Yeah, because one thing I'm happy all the time.
Yeah. Do you
Life
ever sit back like and think that these things you talk about and the fact that you put it in music might be inspiring somebody? Because you know sometimes we forget. Like they chase on our dreams, you know, we're just having conversations, we're just making music. But bro, you can meet someone who's like so extremely touched, and then you get surprised, like, wow. Do you think about that? Has it ever gotten? And the interesting thing about that is you don't have to even be the biggest artist in the world, right, to connect to people.
Exactly.
Is that something you think about?
Yeah. So just recently, when I dropped my song, this new song, I had people that I didn't even talk to, like, they would even listen to my song, messaging me, and I was like, oh, like.
Right?
You're doing something.
Yeah.
So that alone, I mean, like, I've had that previously.
Okay.
But with this particular song, there are people that I wasn't really expecting to say, oh, they'll be like, oh, like, send it to me and I'm in share amount.
Oh, okay.
But they are doing that. So that alone means a lot to me, and that keeps me going.
What do you think it is about this song, though, that we're going to listen to in a bit? Is it the lyrics? Is it the message? Is it the vibe?
Yeah, I think it's the message in the song. It's very, I mean, relatable.
Okay. What is that message before we listen to the song?
So, I mean, like, it talks about peace of mind.
Okay.
Chasing, I mean, like, your dreams, money.
Charlie.
Yeah, I feel like,
Preach, bro.
I feel like,
bro.
I mean, like in this life, as we grow, I see say the only thing that I was like when hear papa is like your peace of mind. Literally, it's like when you say there's so many things around you that like when you have I mean like
at all, bro.
When bema.
At all, bro.
Yeah, so that I mean like with everything that is going on around me, and I mean I put that into the music.
Again, I really respect that you're talking about these things because as men we're put in a situation where we have to understand and accept that if we don't make something of ourselves, we're never allowed a seat at the table, right?
Yeah.
We're never respected, usually. I mean, that's just facts,
Facts, bro.
We're never allowed into certain spaces. So we have to learn to deal with these things. That's why I'm very appreciative for these conversations. I mean, I talk to women, I talk to men, and it seems like there's a growing audience ready to listen to, people that are going through this. Yeah. That's why I asked you that, because through the music, you might be speaking for someone, Charlie, they sit up. Like, I talk to brothers who are going through so many things.
Yeah.
Family, job, the source, money, really, they come.
Exactly.
So to inspire people like this, Charlie, you're talking to people, man.
Appreciate.
And one thing I love about this song, you featured my brother. You work with my brother, Classic Beats.
Classic B, yeah.
Charlie, tell me about that, man.
That's
my guy.
That's my bro as well. So with Classic, we go way back.
Okay.
We go way back. So literally like,
I didn't know he went to my school. Like, he was really? Like a couple of years ahead of me. So he finished before, like.
So with Classic, I mean, with the other songs that I have out, he produced those songs.
Okay.
But with this one, it was some snake, and even him. I mean, like himself, he came to Ghana to do a bit of production on this particular song as well. So with Classic, we go way back. I knew him. I mean, he's into music as well.
Yeah,
he does everything.
He works with the biggest, man. Like, he recently performed with Omale.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. I was even at the rehearsals with him.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, we're there together. So I mean, like with him, we never used to talk.
Okay.
I knew of him.
Okay.
He knew about me, but boys at times like we tried to. So one day, we went to play football, and then he was like, now you cry.
Wait, Classic plays soccer?
Yeah.
Bro, I would dribble him.
Yeah, so we went to play football one day, and then London, and then he was like, now you cry. I mean, like, your music now was saying.
Yeah, that's true.
So one day I was just there. I just went to his apartment, and then we did a song. That's not even out.
Okay.
We did the first song, and then we're like, okay, I'm fun too. Then I mean, like, we kept on doing songs. Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Okay.
That's how it happened.
Collaborations are very important.
Yeah, very.
Do you think we get enough of it here between amongst ourselves as creators? Because there's this thing where, Charlie, if you're not, sadly so, if you're not on a certain level, getting to certain arts, and it's not to say the biggest artists are not busy, right? But that's something that comes up, say, usually these features are not organic. It's more business-wise. And I feel like if there's a balance of that, it will help. Is that something you think about as a group? Because I'm sure there's some big artists you'd love to work with.
Oh, of course.
Is that something you also think about? You're scared of, like, Charlie, this artist, maybe he really like to work with me because maybe I don't have the numbers as of now?
With me, I mean, like, very easy for me to say I'm scared of approaching people.
Okay.
I'm not scared of approaching people. Like, I just always think about the right time. Yeah, right timing is very, very important. Yeah, so with me, and say like I'm scared, say okay, the approaching people, I'm not because they say. Yeah. I'll do that. I mean, like, there's no harm in trying.
Yeah.
What if you go and then, like, I mean,
they
say,
right.
Yeah.
I like that. So now this song, what's it called, man?
Peace of Mind.
Peace of Mind. Oh, that makes sense. Now I get it.
Yeah, Peace of Mind, bro.
So Peace of Mind came out when exactly?
It came out 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks?
Yeah.
Okay, how's the response been so far?
Not too bad. I mean, like, it could go faster, but, I mean.
It will. Trust me, bro. What is it control? Guys, check this out. Peace of Mind, Mr. Richy. Tell us what you think. We'll be right back. Oh, no, this is good music, bro.
Appreciate it.
Oh, man. That's a tune. Classic Day, I'm not surprised because, I mean, it's classic beats. Like, he's that.
I mean, like, this one was
Yeah.
produced by some Snake.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Okay.
I mean, like, classic touch home as well.
Yeah, of course. And you know, sometimes it's all about energy, right? Having the right energy, you know, really brings that out.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know what there is to say again, because it's good music. There's a story behind it, your journey, and you've put it out the best way I think you could. I mean, I love the cover, you know.
Oh, really?
That's the plan, bro. On a drop top with a stack of cash. So, with this song out there, right? I mean, obviously, you're going to promote it for a while.
Yeah.
What's this going to lead to, though? Are we going to get any more songs this year? Football
Definitely.
What's the plan?
Definitely. I mean, like, we've got a couple of songs, myself and Classic, that we need to release. And obviously, we plan on getting some videos as well.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So, is there a music video for this one?
Not yet. But
are you going to?
Yeah, of course.
You have to.
Oh, of course, yeah.
You're going to shoot in Ghana or the UK or somewhere?
No, in the UK.
In the UK.
Yeah.
Oh, child, I'm like the video, no go day inside because never street boy is there. Like we just go put a green screen in effect. That's what's gonna happen. So this song's on all platforms.
Yeah,
People can find it. People can buy it.
Yes.
But before you do leave, you also have some previous songs. Are they also like on streaming platforms and stuff?
Everywhere. Yeah.
Okay.
So one is called Mind Game. Again, I mean, like produced by Classic, and the other one is called Lolo. Again, that was produced by him as well.
Okay.
And there's one called Different. I released that during like lockdown.
Okay.
2020. It's called Different. I mean, like it's on YouTube as well. So
you've been working, bro. Do you think about like promotion and whether you're going to be heavily focused on the GH market, on the UK market, or is it going to be like back and forth from Mr.
Yeah,
Richy?
I mean, we want a balance of the two.
Okay.
Yeah, obviously, like you say, you better on free.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I'll say, I mean, you're breath, you know.
Nice. Which artist would you love to work with, man? Let's put it out there. Let's just say, bro, you never know.
Ooh.
I heard Drake watches my show, so.
Oh, really?
Yeah, in Canada.
Crazy.
So, yeah, but that'd be true or not, I don't know.
I mean, like,
yeah, you
never know.
On the song, bro. That'd be crazy.
Hey.
Right? Let's say amen.
Amen to that. So but yeah, I mean, with me, I'm very selective.
Okay.
I feel like once your energy is good, we can match. I mean, organically. Yeah. Good to go. But one person that I really like would love to work. I mean, like 2 people at the moment. Yeah. I would love to work with everyone, but 2 people at the moment would be like Famia.
Oh yeah, dope.
Especially like on this song.
Oh yeah.
And Kelvin Boy.
Oh, bro, either of them on a remix for that song, Peace of Mind would be crazy.
Crazy. I mean, like with Kelvin, we kind of have a bit of like relationship.
Okay.
He knows of me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you sent him the song?
Not yet.
Bro, I'd love to send it to him, man. Yeah. Like Kelvin's my boy. You never know. Let's try.
I'll
send it to him. I'll send it to his manager, right? Let's just try. I know they're busy people, so let's just try. Let's just try. You know, it's all about supporting.
There's no harm in trying. Anyways,
of course.
So.
Is there anything you want to add before you go? Want to tell your fans, your family, your friends?
I mean, yeah. Thanks to everyone. I mean, like supporting my brand, Mr. Richy. We've got a lot installed. That's all I can say for now. But like, thank you guys for supporting me today. I do appreciate it so much. And to my family, I appreciate you guys. Bless.
Bro, I'm proud of you. Everything you're doing.
Thank you so much.
I'm going to keep holding you down. Please come through anytime.
Thank you so much, bro.
Tell Classic he should never try to play soccer with me. Because in the office, they call me Cristiano Ronaldo. I don't really know why. But you know.
Hey, no be small.
Yeah. Oh, me, you go lie down right now.
Hey.
You know, be hype. You go lie down. Like, face flat.
Flat.
Don't take my word for it. Guys, commercial break. We'll be right back. Please find my brother's music and support him. I have Silverbird coming through. Stay tuned in.